In this video I'm going to show you 7 functions in Excel that can be used to round numbers. I will use each function formula to round the number in G6. The round function rounds a number to a specified number of digits. The roundup function rounds a number up to a specified number of decimal places. The round down function rounds a number down to a specified number of decimal places. The round function rounds a number to the nearest multiple of another number. The ceiling function rounds a number up to the nearest multiple of a specified value. The floor function rounds a number down to the nearest multiple of a specified value. The int function rounds a number down to the nearest integer. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.